Hello, I'm Chris Monchinsky, the Vice President of Manufacturing Intelligence at Automated Control Concepts.
I'm D. Marcadia, Asset Management and Control Engineer from SGI Renewable Energy Ventures, which is subsidiary of South Jersey Industries.
We're a leading systems integration company focused on helping our customers use their vast amounts of industrial data to improve their financial, quality, and safety performance. Today, ACC is a global provider of information products, services, and solutions for life science, consumer goods, and critical infrastructure companies. ACC embraces new technologies by prioritizing the interests of our clients and fostering long-term partnerships with ACC valuable team members, challenging them to find better ways to perform their jobs, promoting culture of innovation.
South Jersey Industry is an energy service holding company based in Folsom, New Jersey. SGI delivers safe, reliable, and affordable natural gas services to around 700,000 customers through its subsidiaries. SGI also promotes clean technology and renewable energy through customized wholesale commodity marketing and on-site energy production. SGI strives to provide a value for its customer, employee, and communities. One of its key initiatives is the efficient generation of renewable natural gas from dairy farms. To assure successful implementation, SGI requires a modular production facility at each farm site and a universal architecture and platform for integrating control and enterprise systems. Security, safety, and reliability are paramount due to the distributed nature and criticality of the system to the energy infrastructure. Furthermore, SGI aims to centrally monitor all sites through an enterprise data acquisition system that can historize data for financial and regulatory reporting. This initiative demonstrates the importance of reliable data as the driving force behind digital transformation throughout the whole organization.
To achieve these goals, SJI entrusted ACC to establish a secure data pipeline and apply key control and information technologies. ACC has built a scalable architecture and a platform that accommodates plants and sites of varying sizes and complexity. ACC's platform aggregates data from the various equipment at the sites, providing a standardized functional view of the data for this equipment. ACC has worked with data architects at SJI to ensure a unified naming convention across all assets, facilitating rapid enterprise integration. SGI Industries faced a multifaceted challenge to implement this large-scale distributed control solution. As a primary requirement, swift deployment of modular production facility in remote locations was needed. Each facility needed independent comprehensive SCADA control and visibility to effectively manage the local processes. Furthermore, the customer sought a reliable and secure mechanism to collect and publish data from all of these systems into a central repository for regulatory and reporting purposes. Given the significance of the financial and regulatory reporting requirements of this application, accurate, secure, and timely data transmission was paramount. The Ignition platform offers exceptional flexibility, allowing ACC to adopt a modular approach to deploying gateways at each site that align with the customer's requirements. This ensures the separation of secure site functions, such as SCADA, from externally facing operations like MQTT data transmission. Leveraging lightweight MQTT transmitters, ACC's platform seamlessly publishes and synchronizes data from each site SCADA system with a central platform, enabling real-time data visibility across multiple locations. Ignition was designed to establish an enterprise-wide unified namespace to ensure asset naming standards across all sites that would allow data to be combined into this centralized location and would allow seamless integration to external applications. MQTT provides robust and secure data transmission, with its store and forward capabilities ensuring reliable data delivery even in remote and slow speed connections. Enterprise-level systems boast scalability through the combination of multiple MQTT distributors, redundant MQTT engine backend gateway servers, and multiple front-end servers connected to a secure load balancer. In addition to offering users the ability to drill down and visualize the same screens and data accessible at each site SCADA, the system also empowers them to create custom views through a flexible dashboard interface featuring a variety of configurable widgets. What you're looking at here is a geographic view of the deployment of some of the sites. You're also looking at a dynamic view that refreshes automatically. It can be used as a dashboard or it can be used on a mobile device, which shows these indicators here in blue, trailer locations, basically moving logistics essentially. And I can actually float over this and see that a particular truck is in motion, where its home location is, where it's heading to, the current speed. You can even see the trailer ID on there. There are multiple users, multiple audiences for a display like this that is built into Ignition. The summary level information is being used by dispatch and logistics teams in order to understand the logistics of the production sites, moving them ultimately to offloading sites. And it can also be used, for example, by process engineers, supervisors, etc., who may be interested in understanding that there is an alarm condition at one or more locations, as indicated by the red or green colors here. Beyond the map, though, one of the most important things I think that customer has access to within the system is the dashboarding capability. And this is a capability that's built into Ignition. So it's something that you can take advantage of right in perspective, building what Inductive refers to as widgets, essentially, that are small pre-built components that can be configured. And then our end users, in this case, SJI and the various user groups that access the system, can look at, interact with, even create their own dashboard. So for example, I have a built-in dashboard here where I can look at different sites, and I can pull down a different site and get some information on that site for its 2 loading bays, or I can look at that site's biogas KPIs, etc. But moreover, I can actually go and edit this. And when I do that, and I come into the editing environment, I can pick from a whole series of pre-built widgets, such as a KPI widget here. And then I can put that widget on the screen, go back into runtime mode, and now I can go pull up data from a different location. So this capability, the ability to build these different types of dashboards and then actually save them. So if I fly out the menu here, I have a bunch of standard dashboards made for different locations, different farm locations and production locations, different offloading locations here, you can see, but also I have my ability being logged in as me to look at essentially location dashboards that I've created, such as a KPI dashboard looking at just boiler fuel across multiple locations, or for example, looking at and navigating locations and looking at trailer locations. This might be a dashboard that we would set up and stylize for someone in the distribution rather than someone in production. So the use cases for this cross all sorts of different roles within SJI. Even access to this system from various vendors is possible through secure interaction with the system and authentication that allows vendors to look at, for example, a release dashboard just for them of their equipment and the parameters on their equipment, helping them to become an integrated part of the overall SJI support team. Each farm's SCADA tags are synchronized using MQTT from each site to the enterprise data acquisition system. A user can see live activity of any site from the enterprise data acquisition in real time. The farm SCADA and its balance of plant PLC provide control interfaces to local equipment systems, and the central enterprise data acquisition system provides read-only views of that data. Enterprise has several different user groups, including operations personnel, management, compliance teams, logistics teams. Enterprise data acquisition provides valuable real-time information to dispatch teams, the visualization of logistics movements between sites through web service integration. Centralized historized data from the enterprise data acquisition system is used and sent to a centralized location where it is integrated to other business level data sets for regulatory and compliance reporting. And the creation of this unified namespace in Ignition, embedded into the design of the tag structure of the SCADA, makes the integration of the resulting data from these systems possible with no additional tool sets. Essentially, our data is self-describing.
We are glad to have a partner like SCC and Inductive Automation. SCC has successfully delivered a comprehensive and secure system solution that met all the requirements of SJI.